Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of adding a custom field in ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. First, click on Grow. Start by clicking on the option to view your subscribers. Scroll down through the list and choose the subscriber you want to modify. After selecting the subscriber, look for an option that says Add a new field and click on it. In the prompt that appears, enter a name for the new field. For example, you might choose age if you want to record the subscriber's age. In the designated box for the value, enter the specific information you want to associate with this field. For example, the subscriber's age. Finally, click the Update Subscriber button to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a new field to the subscriber's information. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.